Hello everyone, I'm Ashtan from Chetwynd Homes, and this is our custom beach house design in Grandchester that we're currently working on. So we just finished packing up, we finished all the eave lining, and we did all the thermal break, wall wrap, and windows and doors. So I'm just going to give you a quick look inside to see what this looks like inside with the framing finished. Come on in. So this is an impressive 2-bed, 1-bath design. We've got an expanded bathroom instead of our standard 2-bathroom design. And we've got an open living here. We'll have a lounge over there in the kitchen here and a small dining area. And we come out to the 20 square meter deck that the customer has added on, giving a nice impressive view of their lake out there. So this is it for now until we come back to do the cladding, which is planned for the end of next week. Till then, I'll show you what our progress so far.